So welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a password generator in Scratch 3. So name the project as password generator. Sorry for missing the E. Yes, we don't need Scratch E. Goodbye. So we'll choose a sprite, I think. Which one do you think? I think I should select this sprite. You want to edit it? I don't know. I'm happy with this editing. I think it should be a little compressed, so select the whole thing. I'm telling you a trick. Press Alt to shift it around the center. And yeah. Okay, the outside one should be. Now we need some text, right? So generate password is a good choice. Yeah, I'm going to make this visible. Here I have the hex color picker. If you don't have this, enable this in Scratch add-ons. Add a select a color from menu of my windows. I think this orange will be perfect. Don't you see over there in the corner? Yeah. Okay, so this is the orange, and with the select tool, I'm going to snap it to the center, and I'm going to separate this, snap this thing to the center, and then snap this thing to the center. I don't think it's far visible. Yeah, let's have a. No, I don't think we should have outline. Okay, no. Finished. Why do we need this question? Okay. Now time for some coding. We need delete this. Sorry. Okay. There are three over here. So we'll need a new variable named password. For this one. No, for all sprites I guess. Now get it out. Now we need to make a list. Alphabets. Small. Alphabets. Large. Numbers. Special characters. Eh? Mm. Now I'm telling you a trick, small trick. So to import this alphabet small, alphabet large, you're just gonna open Microsoft Word. You just need to open Microsoft Word actually. Okay. So blank document we need of course. Why is this taking so much? Yeah. So now here we have to type A, B, C, or better still, there's one more bar. Might close this. We'll need it later. I think we can do this using Excel. So I think A should be a. No, it won't be. Okay, so we need formulas, text. No. I know we are wasting a lot of time. So back to Word. To Word. I think we should turn on caps lock and I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z Z. This is the thing I was talking about. Now it'll be extremely easy to import. We don't have to click the. Do you think this? Yeah. So delete it. Save. Yeah. Just, save. So close it. We have to just scratch one now. So that's large, right? Import. So here at A, this also finds it. Bro, this is simple. Convert this to lowercase. Copy this. Open the same file again. Okay. Save it. Now back to alphabet small. I'm telling you the different ways to insert items into list. So this time also I'll import from A because these are long lists. Okay, so now we'll insert it manually. Special character. Press enter. Sorry. Actually, dollar percent. I would like this. These are nice passwords. Tilde. Okay. So now we are going to have a double quotes, single quotes, semicolon. I think 22 should be best. Okay. This is how we inserted manually and numbers. And for numbers, IDX. Okay. Cap locks is on. I did not know that. So 0. Okay. We'll hide this variable, please. Yeah. So hide the radius to 0. Repeat. Repeat. And that is the one, okay? I'll just add DXT numbers. 9. So delete this code. Okay, so now hide all the folders. Let me see the password. Now you know the pick random operator picks a random number. We need it depends on the language. I'll select 10 character password. 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Yes, I'm having some kind of okay, now it's okay. When fly clicks, set password to the empty value. Set it, yeah. So pass it to now. We need a lot of generators. 2, 3, generator 4 characters. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and finally 10. This thick big. We are taking item. Let's see. This is going to be sequence. So I'll just show you. Password. Don't use this password. Okay, let's start with the small. Okay, there will be 4 alphabets. Small. Small. Then we get 2 numbers. And it's in a certain sequence. Okay, I'll just zoom out a bit. Oh man, this is not going to be. I'm not going to be happy. I join this. Okay, so it's coming kinda. Okay, good. So I think I'm going to put here. So now you can put it in any sequence that you like. Now we need this. The special characters are going to be joined here. How do we need this? R. Okay. So now we deleted them without much time. Item. 2, 22. Numbers. Sorry, not numbers, special character. One duplicate. Now will not go to this. When this sprite clicked, not IDA, since it's password, it is a big mistake. We don't need the IDA variable anymore, so save the project for a moment. Sorry. Now we have to get a list. So passwords. Oh, sorry, passwords. Passwords. Add passwords. So it's a huge. I mean, let's see this in action. So I'm going to generate password. Just I shall let this list wider. Yeah, just as you can see, they are generating very random passwords. And you want to know how secure this is? Okay, so I must say, you put together some a few. No, I think so. We could put How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 8, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Yeah. And I have the letters into there. 26, 26, 26, 26. And I didn't see that. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I need the 22. And okay, one more editor. I think we need one more 66. Hmm? No, 10, 10, 10, 10. It aren't going to be any small number. What? Jesus, neck. What? I can't believe this is the. These are the combinations you can. Right? So, how do I store this? Do you use a list? No. So, you see how secure this is. Yes, sir. You saw how secure this is. And I know how much probability that there is that someone might hack your password. I mean, but it's extremely secure. So I'll show you some other clever tricks. So, it is. You saw how less percent this is. This is really good. Um, this is like being equal to 0, bro. There's no chance anyone is hacking that password. No, there's no chance anyone is hacking that password. You might like username generator as well, but subscribe to my channel if you want to see my username generator. It will be uploaded soon. Let's share this. Is it? Why? Of course, why not? So, thanks for watching.